Welcome to the product demo of Comma. Let me walk you through the very simple sign-up process we have. Here we ask you to input your number, your email, all the basic details, like any other social app. But what's unique about Comma is that since we actually set up real dates instead of just superficial matches, we actually ask you to input the Google Maps location, the neighborhood around which you actually want to go for dates. Since we actually go on real dates, we also ask users to sign up using either their Facebook or Instagram accounts. And through Comma, you can also mention what exactly you're looking for on these dates. Are you looking for just a casual relationship or something more serious as well? And you can also show us your dating preferences by inputting what kind of activities you would want to go for on your first date. You can also tell us when exactly you're free throughout the week in unique time slots, and we'll only set up dates during those time slots. And since each swipe on Comma is substantially more meaningful than a swipe on other dating apps, since it's a real date, we allow users to have more information about the users, including 3 unique questions about themselves. And since we set up real dates, we also give users the option to input an emergency contact who can track their GPS location during dates and even be called in case something goes wrong during the date itself. Let's get to the fun part of actually swiping. Say you show interest in a user and you want to find out more about them. You could just scroll down and see the various data points about them and what their unique answers were to the 3 questions we ask. But what's really cool about Comma is that you can also see the mutual friends and followers you have with the other person on Instagram and Facebook. And say you do have enough interest in actually meeting them in real life. All you have to do is a simple swipe right. And say, for example, there's mutual interest. Boom. Congrats. You have a brand new date with a unique place, time, and a promo code. And this is where Comma really differentiates itself from other dating apps. We make the entire dating experience extremely seamless. And say, for example, you want to reschedule the date, right? All you have to do is simply click a small button which allows your partner to approve your request for rescheduling of the date itself. And once they approve, boom, you have another date, another time, at another free time slot of yours. And once you go to the Discoveries tab, the time would then get updated automatically. And through this feature, you can also cancel dates, relocate dates, and reschedule dates. And once you want to text users, you can also click the thumbnail. And closer to the date itself, we will send you a promo code with the specific discount rate. We also have an emergency feature closer to the date itself, where if clicked, you can immediately call your emergency contact. And after the date, we also check in on all the users and try to see how the meeting went and whether they want to see each other again, just to remove the whole anxiety of trying to figure out if your partner wants to see you again. And say there's mutual interest in seeing each other again, they will then show up on your Soulmates tab. And all you have to do to see them again is simply one click, redate. And boom, a request is then sent to the other user to accept your proposal to meet again. And say they do accept. Congrats, you have another date. Now let's see if you want to change your setting and view your own profile. You can go ahead and edit it on the settings tab whenever you want. Interesting, another user. Jenny. Okay, let's get another date, boys. Congrats, another date for me. Dating never became so easy.